Hey everyone, Sam Dennis here, and today I'm going to make an unboxing of the Stuart Little motion picture CD soundtrack. So here we go. Here's Stuart Little. Side, here's the back. There are 14 tracks of it. Now let me go ahead and open it up. Here we got the disc. Here's the nice picture. Let me get you the book. Give me 1 minute. I'll put the disc back. Alright, here we have the book. More pictures from the movie. Oh, excuse me. This is also a poster. I forgot to tell you guys. Here's the cool poster. That's cool. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing. If you guys can please subscribe, I'll unbox the Stuart Little 2 soundtrack. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.